deputies responded to a caller reporting loud noises from the dilapidated facility after midnight. Police investigated the site and found evidence of trespassing and minor equipment theft, but suspect it is merely the work of local vandals. What should have been a night of memories and celebration turned into a scene one witness described as hell on earth. Teenagers at Sutton High School were celebrating an otherwise uneventful senior dance when two men identified as 40-year-old and his 24-year-old son Grant Wayford entered the gymnasium with a variety.
I can use that.
Get out of here.
This might come in handy.
See where this leads.
Just keep moving, Connie.
Okay, stay quiet. I'm right.
I like it.
This might lead to the others.
Those doors.
Hey, Sonny, it's me, Connie.